USDA Agricultural Research Service scientist Dr. Hyun Lilihoy is looking for innovative ways to keep poultry healthy worldwide.
There has been concern that increasing use of antibiotics has promoted increasing incidence of drug-resistant superbugs.
Dr. Lilihoy says those superbugs can affect livestock and humans. So she is working to enhance poultry's natural immune system.
We try to make them innately strong so they can resist infectious disease better. That way we can reduce the use of antibiotics. And the farmers need something to replace the growth-promoting properties of these antibiotics. And that is where our research in finding alternatives to antibiotics is becoming very critical.
Lilihoy's research involves changing what poultry eat.
To find dietary alternatives that we have shown that promote the growth, promote the animal health, and actually they can really increase the innate immune response of poultry.
Lilihoy was recently nominated for the 2015 Service to America Medal for her research. In Beltsville, Maryland, for the U.S. Department of Agriculture, I'm Bob Ellison.